Hello, I'm Jenny from QUQUQ. QUQUQ combines a mobile kitchen with storage space and a bed to turn your everyday car into a camper in no time at all. The kitchen contains everything you need for cooking: cooker, water, table, fridge. The wind and spray shield not only ensures that you can cook even when it's windy, but also functions as a stopper for the kitchen drawer. In the compartment under the cooker, there's space for cooking utensils and tin food. The scope of delivery always includes the portable 2-burner cooker and 2 gas cartridges, so that pasta and sauce or scrambled eggs and coffee are ready at the same time. So that there is always enough fresh water available, whether for coffee or pasta, there's space for 2 10-liter canisters on the right-hand side. So water is always directly accessible and above all, easy to stow away. Water can then be trapped directly from the compartment by gravity. No pump is necessary, so you don't need electricity and nothing can break. The canisters are suitable for food and hygienic. After the camping trip, they are simply emptied and placed upon the box. Nothing can get moldy, no pints need to be cleaned. In the compartment underneath the canisters, there's space for 2 bowls that can be used as storage space and rinsing bowls. In the small compartment next to the canisters, there's space for 2 camping chairs.